Hi folks, here's a little idea I want to share with you. It's something I've been doing with students lately, and it's just an exercise. It's kind of the nuts and bolts of music. It's not really music, but it kind of is. It's called patterns. I've called it box exercises simply because, well, you'll see. So here's the first part. This is what it sounds like. So I'm doing hold 1 blow, hold 2 blow, then hold 2 draw, then hold 1 draw. So you go blow, slide, draw, slide. See what I mean? And then you try and speed it up. And then you migrate it up the instrument. So now we're going to start the same pattern but on hole 2. And now on hole 3. And you could get a kind of rhythm going with that. And then you go all the way up the instrument. And what's happening is you're using the simple patterns, the physical movements on the instrument, and you're seeing what music comes out from it. So you're looking at whatever can come from the harmonica at its most basic, the easiest for you to play. It's like on a piano, if you just did that, that'd be kind of the easiest thing to do. On a harmonica, the easiest thing to do is, you know, you give a harmonica to a kid first thing. So it's adapting that. So we're looking at the harmonica, playing it in the easiest way we can, and seeing what musical patterns develop from it. So that's the 2 box. So it's just hold 1, or the first hold you choose from. Go breathe out, go to the next one, breathe in, come back to the first one. Then you migrate it all the way up the instrument. Use any instrument you want, doesn't matter. Try different. That was a G. Let's try a D now. And so on. Now let's try the opposite. So you start with the draw 1, draw 2, then blow 2, blow 1. See how when you get up to hole 6, 7, how it changes? It's really quite interesting. Okay, so that's the 2 box. Here's the 3 box. So it's 1, 2, 3 breathing out, then 3, 2, 1 breathing in. And so on. Then you migrate it all the way up, then you try reversing it. So that's the patterns, that's the box patterns. Now here's a 4 box. So have a go at these exercises, see what you think, let me know. I quite like them. They're not obviously the whole thing, they're not exactly tunes, but I think, I'm not quite sure what they're doing for you, but maybe you can figure that out. They're forcing you to be very accurate about what holes you choose. They're allowing you to open your ears and see what music comes, and it'll stick. If you like it, you'll remember it. And it lets you play, how's the best way of putting it? It's quite hard to coordinate moving the harmonica in rhythm and the breath control as well. So breathing out, breathing in, all in rhythm. So have a go at it, see what you think. This is part 1. There's a lot more to come on this subject. I will torture you with some more. So this is Box Patterns video number 1. Okay, see you later.